Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show my vehicle brakes. As you can see, the disc rotors are need replacement, and the brake pads are also worn too much, and they are creating they become very noisy. This one is heavily damaged. This is the rear left rotor. As you can see, there's lots of scratches, and brakes are, I think, totally worn out. Hopefully today I'll be receiving the parts which I have imported from USA, all 4 rotors and brake pads, which are currently in Liverpool and hopefully expected to be delivered today. Parts costed me around $485, and furthermore the delivery charges were $450 approximately, and the import duty of around £180, which was paid to the UK government. Received the delivery of parts from FedEx. These are the rotors, these are brake pads, and these are rear rotors, I think. Let's unbox the rotors and the brake pads and check it. Each rotor is around 7 to 8 kg. प्रोफेशनल चाहिए इसके लिए बता. Heavy duty brake pad replacement instructions.
Tighten everything. These are your brake caliper up there, and then
Today we are leaving our vehicle for the replacement of brake pads and rotors at Manley garage in Buckingham. Hopefully they will be doing the work in 2 hours. New rotors have been installed, and also the new brake pads. As you can see, these are the new rotors. I will also mention the part number in the description. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can receive future notifications. Thank you for watching.